Welcome to aminacademy.com. In complex analysis, let us discuss about single and multiple valued functions. First, we'll discuss about variable and functions. Complex variable in mathematics is a variable that can take on the value of complex number. In basic algebra, the variables x and y generally stand for values of real numbers. The algebra of complex numbers, that is complex analysis, uses the complex variables z to represent a number of the form a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. Now, let us do an example to understand this concept. Let w equal to z square. Find the value of w that corresponds to z equal to minus 2 plus I and z equal 1 minus 3i. Show how the correspondence can be represented graphically. Here, first we'll discuss the problem detailing here. The w equal f of, here given is w equal to f of minus 2 plus I, f of z, that is minus 2, that is square, because z square, w equal to connected with z square, f of minus 2, which is equal minus 2 plus I the square. Expanding this, 2 square is 4, minus 2 whole square is 4, minus 2i, that is minus 2ab, that is minus 4i plus I square. Here I square is minus 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 4i. Now, this is the first part, that b is w equal f of 1 minus 3i, that another number z equal to 1 minus 3i. So we are having minus 1 minus 3i the square equal 1 minus 6i minus I square is minus 1 into 9, 3 square is 9, that is minus 9, so which is equal minus 8 minus 6i. Now we'll plot these points in both plane, that is in first x. Here the point P, suppose first point is point P, minus 2 plus I. Here minus 2 plus I, this is minus 2, this here the point P equal minus 2 plus I. Then point Q is 1 minus 3i. 1 minus 3i, this is the point Q. 1 minus 3i. 2 points plotted in xy plane, that is the plane that is in xy axis. Now here this w, that is f of minus 2i plus z I equal minus 2 plus I whole square, which is given here 3 minus 4i. So we have to write 3 minus 4i, that is p dash. 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 4i. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here this point is, that will be p dash 3 minus 4i. Then q dash is, q is minus 8 minus 6. Minus 8 minus 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Minus 8 minus 6. This is a minus 6. Suppose this point is here. This q dash is minus 8 minus 6i. We plotted P days and Q days in UV plan, that is W plan. Now this first part, plot the points, finish. Now this is, we can see P, this is P days is an image of P and Q days is the image of Q. Now second part of the question, show that the line joining the points P and Q in the Z plane form a above problem is mapped W equal to Z square into curve joining the points P days Q days and determine the equation of the curve. Here P and Q, the points P and Q is -2, -1 and 1 and 3. The point P is -2, 1, Q is 1 and -3. Then the parametric equation of the line joining these points. From line joining the P and Q, parametric equation. Parametric equation of P and Q is x minus of -2 over 1 minus of -3. That is x minus x1 over x1 minus x2 x1 minus x2 equal y minus 1 over -3 and -1. -3 and -1, which gives, let it be this equal to t. Look at here, x minus of -2 over y minus of minus, that is 1 minus of -2 over equal y minus y2, that is y minus of -1 then equal to t. So from that we can get it, parametric equation of this is x equal 3t minus 2, 3t minus 2 and y equal minus 40, 1 minus 40, 1 minus 40. That means here this -1 minus 3 is -4, go that side is -40, then 1 go here, 1 minus 40. We got x is in terms of t, y is in terms of t is a parametric equations. But the curve in the W plane, the curve in the W plane into which this line is mapped has the equation. We have equation y W equal to z square, W equal to z square, which is equal 3t minus 2, 3t minus 2, that is x 3t minus 2 plus I into 1 minus 40, 1 minus 40, that is x plus iy, that's whole square, that is z square, where is it equal to 3t minus 2 plus I into 1 minus 40. Then So we are expanding this and collecting item separate, constant term separate we have. That is real part and imaginary part. Finally, we get, suppose we are expanding this one, it gives 3 minus 4t minus 7t square plus minus 4 plus 22t minus 24t square minus 24t square into I part. So since w equal u plus iv, u is already u plus iv, u is this and v is this. So we have u equal 3 minus 4t minus 7t square and v equal minus 4 plus 22t minus 24t square. This is a u and v part. By assigning various values of the parameter t, this curve may be graphed. So by using t values for various values of t, we can map the uv map in that uv plane. Single and multiple valued function. What is the difference between single and multiple valued function? If only one value of w corresponds to each value of z, we say that w is a single valued function of z, or that f of z is a single valued function. That is, if only one value for w corresponds to each value of w, z. If more than one value of w corresponds to each value of z, we can say that w is a multiple valued or many valued function. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.